Okay, guys. So, I'm going to see me and Jack's friend Brian. At some point in this video, you're gonna see some of Jack's little clips from his trip to New York City. He did go to New York yesterday, which was Friday. Well, he went Thursday, and then he came back yesterday, which was Friday. Yeah. So I'm gonna have those little clips in some point in the video, and me and Brian are going to do the most dangerous thing I've ever done. There's a cliff, there's Brian, and Brian's car is back there. You can't see his license plate, so you guys can't take his car. But there's all these trees and shit. And this long ass road. We're just walking down the road, like, to no end. You guys can get the full experience, man. Look at this. Cliffs, trees, bridges. There's a foundation of a house. That's kind of creepy. Must have burnt down. Is that a shoe? There's a fucking shoe up here, guys. Is that a shoe? Legitimately? What the fuck is that? That is a scarf, ladies and gentlemen. There is a scarf. And are these cement pillars? So cement pillars, and this is one hell of a place to do it, though. Fuck. So this ain't the dangerous part yet. I don't know, me and Brian are gonna get to it today. But if we do, we might kill somebody. I don't know. What do you think? There's people way out there. Brian walking down. There's Brian. Look at that view, guys. You gotta see the view. Oh, bear. We're gonna show you the bear. Look at this. We're gonna come show you the bear. Oh, I don't know if you guys can see him. There he is. Where is he? Right there. Oh, he's out of view now. Oh well. Huh. I don't know if you guys really saw the bear or not, but there was a bear, nigga. That was crazy. Good thing we didn't have to walk this part. Cause I'd have turned the fuck around.
Do you think he would attack us?
I don't know.
He just looked at us like, fuck.
Fuck you doing in my town? That must have been Yogi Bear. I wonder where Boo Boo is. Bad joke. Or too soon. Cause they canceled Yogi, didn't they? But yeah, the bear. So I tried to show you guys the bear, but I guess he walked away too quickly. And my camera quality is kind of shitty in the semi-dark, so yeah, bear. Okay guys, there's the bear right there. See the bear? See him? He's just walking away. There he goes running. Is that really a bear?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a bear, son. That's like a what do you call that? That's like a black bear. But yeah, that was bear, son. You guys saw the bear now, man. Lucky Brian's got balls like that. I wouldn't have turned around to go look for the bear. I'd have kept going. But that was a bear. You guys saw the bear? He had to be about the size of the car or some shit. But yeah, I'm gonna try and render that up for you guys so you guys can see the bear. Yo, I am a fucking genius, man. Last night, after me and Brian were done taking our walk to look at that cliff, I actually got a clip of that and I forgot to, yeah. But after me and Brian went to that cliff, me and Kyle went out to dinner. Me and Kyle went to Walmart, and me and Kyle came back to my house. Sometime between the time we got back to my house and the time it took me to walk across the street, get in Kyle's car, so that we can go get gas in his car in Jersey, I lost $85. I didn't spend any of it, because when we left Walmart, I had $85. And we took Kyle's car to get gas, and Kyle put his own money in gas. So somehow I managed to lose $85 in the 10 feet to my house, because my house is right there. So between here to walk across the street in Kyle's car to go to my porch, I lost $85. It's bullshit, man. Bullshit. $85. You guys, all them houses. Look at that. All them houses. Yeah. And Kyle's here.
I hate it. It used to be woods.
Shit. Yeah, that all used to be woods, but because of us, we built houses. You retards. So I was just thinking, maybe I'm going to start doing something exercising thing. Coming out here and taking this walk every day before I go to work. Maybe we'll get Jack to come do it. Kyle's doing it with me today. Brian did it with me yesterday. But I feel like this is something me and Jack can do early in the morning. It's about, what would you say, about a half mile, Kyle?
Yeah, give or take.
So that's not too bad every day. You know, get some exercise and stuff. And you guys can kind of see the trees and stuff a little bit better today. Because yesterday it was getting dark, so there wasn't a whole lot of light for you guys to see everything. But yeah, walking back now. We've been out here for at least a half an hour, I think. And you get all these trees and a no hunting ordinance. Oh, almost tripped over a rock. But yeah, it's a hell of a walk, guys.
So many rocks.
There was a bench back there, but Kyle didn't want to stop to sit on the bench.
I just tripped over a rock.
We both tripping over rocks. But we came to visit Izzy and Matt. There's Izzy and Kyle. And Matt is recording a video for his YouTube channel.
Hey,
Kyle's there too, but
thank you.
I don't know how. Oh yeah, look, there's Kyle right there.
Yeah, hi.
Yeah. So me and Kyle got bored and we raced down 611 to come all the way out here to visit them. And we almost killed people. No, not really. But yeah, now we're just kind of sitting here waiting till something comes up, something interesting to do. And I think I'm going to start doing one vlog a week. Like get the whole week in one vlog and make it like a 20-minute vlog. I feel like that might be a little more doable. But yeah, we'll see what happens. So me and Matt's holding the camera, are driving through Jersey going to Phillipsburg. Matt and Izzy went the other.
No, I didn't. I'm right here.
Kyle and Izzy went the other way, but they wanted to take the scenic route, so I'm taking the slight shorter scenic route. If that makes any sense. I don't know if that makes any sense. The slightest, more scenic route.
Well, it's a nice day, so I'd assume they want to take the long way.
But yeah, I'm lazy, so we're taking the scenic route, but the shorter version of it, kind of. And Jack's at work till 9:30, so we're not gonna go see Jack today. And I don't know what else we're doing, but for right now, we're driving down this road. You can turn the camera so you can see the road. This long ass road with all these random curves in it because people are retarded.
Alright guys, I tried to do my own version of a vlog and it mostly worked. The first video actually though, the one where I introduced me and what I'm doing, didn't pick up the audio. My iPhone is great for dropping random audio parts or not even working at all with the microphone. So I'm making an introduction video here. We'll probably still upload the other video so that it makes sense, there just won't be any sound. I show you a Metro card. I get on the New York City subway. I had just gotten out of going over my New York City sanitation test. One day, within the next couple of years, like 2 years or so, I should be working for New York City sanitation, assuming I actually get the job. I got a 93 on the test, and I also had one of the questions I got wrong I could have gotten right, so I argued the fact, so I may get like a 96, which would be awesome because that's out of 100. I hope that this makes sense to you because it's going to look really awkward going from Ryan's house to a New York City subway station, but let's give it a shot. Hope you guys enjoy.
Brooklyn-bound J local train. The next stop is
Sorry.
This is a Brooklyn-bound Q Express train. The next stop is Depot.
Manhattan Bridge.
This is a Coney Island bound Q local train. The next stop is Neck Road.
And now I go to my grandmother's. Mom and Pop Donut Shop. When's the last time you seen one of them? It's actually really good donuts too. Alright. Got about a 5 to 10 minute walk ahead of me. I'm gonna hit you guys up again when I get to my grandmother's. I'll see you then. Alright guys, this is my grandmother's block. When I tell you guys I grew up on fast food, I quite literally mean it. So, I hope you guys can hear this. My microphone's famous for cutting out for videos. There's this garage here down the block from my grandmother's. They do some restoration work. I wish they had their nice car out here. They got a nice truck though, I'll show you that. It's also a Volkswagen dealership across the street. There's the truck I was talking about. The garage. This place has changed a lot since I was little. See all those stores over there? Where the Subway and stuff is, if you could see it, I don't know. Used to be a mobile gas station and a used car lot. It's ridiculous. Lumber yard, lumber center, whatever you want to call it. There's a nice old Suburban here with a plow on it for sale. It's been here for at least a year. If anybody wants one. GMC. That's the place I told you was the mobile gas station. And here's my grandmother, so see you next time.
Yo, those are the old ass trucks. Look at that. Look at that. That's Jack's dream truck. He would kill himself in that truck.
Yeah, he probably would. Or to get it.
So, ending the vlog video a little bit later than I expected, but Jack went to New York.
Give me your coat.
You saw his clips from New York. You saw me and Brian saw the bear, and Jack's girlfriend's here again, and Zach and Katie are here again, and yeah, so you guys are finally gonna get to see this video. It's like a week late, but you guys won't know that, will you?